Hello everyone, I am Vivan Manadyar from grade 5A. Today I am going to show you how the blood flows through the heart, and I made a working model of the human heart at home. Okay, now let's start. First, the deoxygenated blood enters the right atrium through the vena cava, the largest vein. Then, through the tricuspid valve, it goes to the right ventricle. After that, it goes to the pulmonary valve to the pulmonary artery. The pulmonary artery takes it to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood mixes up with the oxygen and becomes oxygenated blood in the alveoli. Then it comes back through the pulmonary vein and enters the left atrium. Then through the mitral valve, it enters the left ventricle. And finally, through the aortic valve, it goes to the aorta. The aorta pumps the blood, the oxygenated blood, to different parts of the body. This is how the aorta pumps oxygenated blood to different parts of the body.
Wow!
This is what happened in the experiment, after the experiment. Yep, but at least my plan worked.
Good job.
Thank you for going through my presentation and going through my experiment.